Hi, welcome to Heidi's Home. This week I'm going to be starting off the week with a video sharing with you all what I eat in a day, like every day. I don't know how many days I've filmed, but we're starting out with breakfast here, and I love to make microwave egg sandwiches. So I'm just whisking my egg, and I sprayed the bowl with just a little bit of non-stick cooking spray. I add in some spinach. I'm going to put it on these 100-calorie bagels. They are delicious. They're easy to use. And sometimes I add cheese, sometimes I don't. But they are really good in a pinch. However, I will tell you that the bagels crumble the longer that you have them. It's kind of a bummer. And I've been a little obsessed with the everything but the bagel seasoning, the jalapeno blend. So tonight we are having spaghetti. It is Ronnie's dad's birthday, so we are going to have spaghetti. I am using, this is a mild sausage with some hamburger that I had and 2 jars of sauce. I also added some Parmesan cheese to thicken it up, and it smells so good, and I am so hungry. In my new pasta pot back here, I've got some spaghetti going, and then in the oven, I have bread going there. Just some regular toast with butter, garlic, and a little bit of the everything bagel seasoning. So we're going to get all this done and get this plated up. A birthday cake for Big Ronnie, which is a pineapple upside down cake. It's his favorite. I just took a large box that I had and I cut it and I covered it with foil to have a place to turn the cake out on, because I didn't have any cake, you know, whatever you call those. I don't even know what you call them. But anyways, typically, as far as aesthetically, I would have put cherries in the middle of these pineapples, but in the long run, it's not going to matter because this smells good and I know it's going to taste good. Now, this particular morning, I was in a hurry and in a pinch, so I am having a vanilla protein shake from Aldi, and I will tell you, I do not like it by itself, but mixed with other things, it's delicious. It is dinner time, and I made some fajitas. Sometimes I use chicken, sometimes I use steak. Tonight I'm using cube steak because I had an extra pack. I added onions and peppers. As you can see, a couple different colors of peppers in this. And I added 2 packages of fajita seasoning. I had to think about it for a minute. And we're just going to load this in some tortillas with some sour cream and salsa. It's going to be delicious. It smells fantastic. Now again, I'm having a breakfast sandwich, except for I'm having cheese this time. And then for dinner, I am having leftovers. The leftover fajitas were delicious. And then I'm having breakfast again. And you won't see a dinner because we ate out this particular day. There is my breakfast. It looks like a lot, but these thin bagels, they taste really good, but they're so thin they don't hold anything. And what I mean is they just fall all apart. And I don't know if it's like the longer you have them, but they're so hard to pull apart, even though they are cut. They stick together and then they just crumble. But anyways, I'm having egg salad, and then I have my jalapeno everything but the bagel seasoning. And my husband is having the tuna fish with the egg salad on bread because I don't like my tuna mixed with my egg. I think that's so gross. But anyways, he likes it, and so I make it for him, and then I eat the other part. And this is what I'm having for breakfast, as well as I'm finishing my cup of coffee. I heated up in the microwave for the 4th time this morning because I can't get off the phone. So I'm going to eat this, and we're going to have a good start to our day, right, babe?
That's exactly right. And I'll tell you what, I'm getting not only my eggs for breakfast, but I'm also getting my brain food for today.
Your brain food?
Yeah, tuna is a brain food.
It's a brain food. Time for dinner. I made some salmon cakes up along with some rice. This was so delicious. This is one of my favorite meals. I made some green beans so that we would have a veggie, and it was very filling. Good morning. So this is my breakfast, and I've got one whole zucchini that I cut up over here that I sauteed. And then I put my spinach in there, and then I've got 2 eggs that's cooking here. And I'm just breaking it up. It's not going to be pretty, but it will be delicious. And then I'm going to add some everything but the bagel seasoning on top when I put all this in my bowl. And this will be my breakfast of champions today. Hope you all are doing well. I'll show you my bowl when I get it plated up. But I absolutely love zucchini. Love it. And it's getting that time of year. There's my breakfast of champions. I've got my jalapeno, everything but the bagel seasoning on top. I'm going to enjoy this. I've got a lemon and ginger water that I've been making up every day that has been making me feel really, really good. And yeah, we're going to get my day started. My husband and I are going to go out to the mall today and get out and look at some things, and we're going to enjoy breakfast. Good morning. It is dark in here, and I know, and I apologize. The sun keeps coming in and out. We're supposed to have thunderstorms today. Big surprise there. I am making myself a protein shake this morning. Ronnie is on his way to the gym, and I've got a full day of work here at the house to do, so I'm just doing a very quick breakfast. In my blender, I have mixed berries, a half a banana, and I am going to add this protein shake from Aldi. It does have 1 gram of sugar in it. Anyhow, it's not too bad. It doesn't taste that bad, but I think it is better when blended with something, to be quite frank. I'll probably get the chocolate next time if I just want to drink it. The vanilla is not exactly my favorite, but I'm going to add it to this stuff here, and I know that it will be really tasty. There it is, nice and rich and creamy, and that is my breakfast. All right, so it's dinner time again, and I made some deer burgers with some mushrooms and onions and brown gravy, and we are just simply going to have some baked potatoes along with this on the side. We love this. I know it's not everybody's jam to eat venison, but we absolutely enjoy eating venison. It is delicious. Then the next morning I fried some bacon, and we had bacon and eggs for breakfast. Quick and easy, out the door. And of course I had to add my seasoning. Guys, I'm obsessed with this seasoning. I've had people message me where I got it, and I purchased it from Aldi. Tonight we're having mac and cheese, and that's all done. And then we're having shake and bake chicken. Sorry about the shadow, but the light is behind me. And I've got some zucchini and some spinach right there that I sauteed for myself. So that is what is for dinner. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Have a great day.